Hello and welcome back to an all new video. If you're here for the first time, my name is Akash and welcome. Before I set to say out anything, a big and a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you who has subscribed to this channel and watching this video. Thanks a lot, means a lot, just brings a small smile on my face. On that note, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Making a daily vlog, actually making a vlog only after a really long time, was caught up with work. So first and foremost thing, I have to do an unboxing today as well. Lots of unboxings, but this one is interesting. And so back in the day when I was a kid, that doesn't mean that I'm not. I am still. What am I telling? Okay, so I used to read. I wasn't a voracious books. I wasn't a voracious reader, but I used to read like a decent number of books. So I don't know why, but then engineering happened and then I lost the habit of reading books. Generally, people generally pick up the reading habit when they are doing any technical course or engineering or any degree for that matter, but I don't know why I lost track of it. But never late to restart it again. So I ordered a book for myself in order to start, and I'm charging my Kindle. So time to begin new habits, because schedule these days never happening, not able to plan anything, not able to shoot any good videos, not able to do any podcast. It's been really long. So time to get a bit productive along with work productivity is different. That has to happen. You have to earn some money into your pocket, but then this also should happen. You should never lose your hobbies, should never quit doing what you like to do. So yeah, so also along with that, no, let me just unbox this first and then we'll talk about it later. Again, knife. Oh, this time I don't have a knife, it is inside my bag. So let me just open it. Very interesting book. Now, why did I suddenly order a book for myself? I went to my cousin's house recently. I also uploaded a video with my cousin. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. I actually ordered a set of 3 books, but then only one arrived today. I don't know which book it is, so it's a surprise for me as well. So yeah, what was I telling? So why did I suddenly pick up this is it wasn't all of a sudden. We're talking to me and my cousin, as I told you. We were just sitting and talking about books, productivity. Ali Abdal, if you haven't watched his videos, go watch it. Super productive guy, the most productive guy that I have ever seen. So we're just discussing about this, reading books, how important it is, how useful it is, how productive it makes you and stuff. So he was suggesting me books. He was telling me suggestions for good books and all that, and then I was just recalling, oh my god, I used to read a lot. Then why did I stop quitting? I did like Dan Brown a lot, so still do, but then this is more like getting your habits right and those kind of books over there. Okay, this is the book. Robin Sharma, Who Will Cry When You Die? Deep, isn't it? Smells new, smells nice. So price book is 200. Heard really good reviews about this book. Again, Robin Sharma in particular, heard a lot about this guy. Would love to read this work. So yeah, nice book, nice cover, interesting. Life Lessons from the Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Again, that's also a famous book. I haven't read that as well, but yeah, 15 million books sold worldwide. So this is going to be really good. So what am I trying to tell is, guys, if you do read, amazing, good work. Develop the habit of reading novels, reading books, especially for students. If someone is watching, or in general anyone, take books, read them, because reading is a very good habit. So even I am restarting that habit of reading books. Read at least for 10 minutes a day, or if you're not able to decide like that, read 5 pages a day, 6 pages a day before you sleep, or just after you get up. It is good. It develops your vocabulary, teaches you a lot of things. I can't explain all those, but yeah, develop a habit of reading a book. Now time is ತೋರ್ಸೋದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ. 11:53. Time is 11:53, so my work starts at 1, but before that I should prep up for today's work. So I'll go and do that and see you back in a while. Daily vlog, hold on, see you in. What an amazing podcast. Jay Shetty. I think today I'm talking all about productivity, knowledge, books. So again, one more recommendation is start listening to podcasts if you don't. Such a good hobby it is, guys. Try it out. For this instance, Jay Shetty. Watch his podcast On Purpose with Jay Shetty. Too good. It's free of cost, and I'm sure, I assure you, you'll get something out of it after listening to it. Such a beautiful podcast he makes. I do have a recommendation list of podcasts. If you don't already know, it's not a promotion, guys. I'm just letting you guys know. If you don't already know, I also run a podcast channel. It's available on all the major podcast platforms. Link in the description. It's called Akarsh Talks. Go check it out. See, I'm working. Kannada came off in between. Working. My work started just now. It's somewhere around 1:33. So yeah, let me do some work and then I have something to show you guys. Let's do it in an hour or so. I still haven't talked about the agenda for today. Let's do it. Let me finish this quick amount of work. Ting, did you hear that message? Bye, see you in
much later.
I have removed my watch to show you the time that I was trying to do since morning. 7:19. Finally made some time to continue the talking and complete this video. So since we have been talking about productivity, making new hobbies, reading, you should also listen to some of the podcasts, because that's also a very good hobby that I had discovered a year ago, I suppose, a year and a half ago. I've made a video on that also. Go check out my channel if you haven't. Yeah, so one thing is, I generally don't sit and work on my bench or table or whatever you want to call it, desk, work desk, etc. Okay, 1 second. Office mails. I'll finish it off fast. So and I was listening to a podcast, and the host of that particular podcast that I was listening to tells that your productivity increases a lot when you have a proper, like, a bench and a work desk or a chair, and then you sit and then you do. So I have a nice table, but everything here is cluttered. I don't want to show also. Let me just give you a sneak peek. So it is very cluttered, and it is not nice to, you don't get that mood when you sit in a cluttered desk to work. So let me clean this up. I actually had cleaned it up somewhere around a month ago or a month and a half ago. I wanted to make a work desk setup kind of video, but due to my procrastination, I didn't end up making that video until date. So on that note, the agenda for today is finish work that I have till 10 in the night, and then clean up this desk, and by Sunday make a video. So I have lots of work to do. On that note, let's end this video here. What is the takeout for you from this video is develop a new habit, and trust me, it takes a lot of time to make videos in between work schedule. So comment down your favorite hobby or what you would like to get as a hobby, and then let's see what interesting hobbies people have and what I can pick it up from there. So do start reading a book from today itself, and then let's see how that goes. That's it for today, guys. See you hopefully tomorrow and Sunday with the work desk setup. Tomorrow I'll show you how the things have turned up. So take care, stay safe, go out only if necessary. Get yourself vaccinated whenever you get the chance to. See you in the next one. Take care, stay safe.